2013 as an opportunity for us to go back to the Big Ten. With those two conferences, the Pac-12 and the Big Ten, there are nearly 1 million students and 11 million living alumni. And a lot of those alumni live here in Southern California. So the way it works out, it was a risk for us, certainly, to get this matchup. In 2013, our team payout, in other words, how much we had to pay the teams to get here, was $5 million. Last year, we had to pay $6 million. That's a lot of money for us. We're a nonprofit, by the way. And but our board of directors weighed it and thought that the enhanced benefit for the community was going to be significant by making this switch, and so they opted to move forward with it. And the teams that we're getting out of the Pac-12, college football playoff takes their teams, then it's the Alamo Bowl, and then us. Okay, so it's either the third or fourth team out of the Pac-12. Out of the Big Ten, the college football playoff takes their teams, and then we are what's considered a top-tier pick, a top-tier bowl game. And what that means, we are lumped together with the Outback Bowl in Tampa and the Citrus Bowl in Orlando. We are guaranteed over the 6-year contract to get 5 different teams. And the reason this was done was to avoid bowl fatigue. So Nebraska, for example, having been here 3 times in the last 6 years, they don't want to come back. So we're going to be getting teams that haven't been coming. This year, I say Wisconsin because the last 2 years they've gone to Florida for bowl games. So they are ripe to come out here. Michigan hasn't gone to Florida too much recently, so they are ripe for going down to Florida. And by the way, Michigan, I would say, is our number 2 most likely team to come out, which will be pretty fun. Michigan State, after losing last week, is probably going to go to the Citrus Bowl if things play out this way. And that would leave Ohio State to go up to probably a semifinal game, and Iowa into the Rose Bowl. So that's my prediction on that. Pac-12, I think Stanford will win out. I think Stanford could make their way into a semifinal game, but I doubt it. And so I think Stanford will go to the Rose Bowl, and then that'll leave the Alamo Bowl to choose between Utah, Oregon, Washington State, maybe UCLA, maybe outside chance USC. And I know that they are looking very favorably at Washington State right now. They like those teams that throw the ball 65 times. The only thing, it's great having a team that throws the ball 65 times. It's a bummer having a team that plays a 5-hour football game. So in which case, we are looking very highly at Oregon right now. Out of the points